Well, finally, my car's back on the road and running again. A little while ago, beginning of March, I had a problem. My distributor and the rotor arm inside, somehow, I don't know how, mysteriously, it came apart and it was actually come off the distributor. So I don't know why that happened. Anyway, it got broken, so I replaced the distributor and the rotor arm, got a new one. When I finally got a new one, put it back on, and it should have been, hey presto, no way, just wouldn't start. It sort of fired, they're like a little misfire, and they'll just run, but it wasn't very nice. So I thought, strange. So okay, I'll turn it off, done the checks, thought okay, tried again. It was again not very good, didn't sound healthy. So I left it at that, and I thought, no, I haven't got time, I'll leave it till the weekend. So the weekend after, started doing the usual checks, the timing, the plugs, make sure I've got a spark, make sure the timing's about right, check the internet for timing, marking for about, they said from 6, 10 or 12, so I set all that, checked top dead center, took the plugs out, cleaned them, put it back in, done that many a time. I don't know how many times I've done that. But again, the car would not fire, would not start. And I thought, must be fuel. Check that. No, it wasn't. And I was baffled. So I went to see a good friend of mine, Jeff Meads, of a yellow Ford Pop. Awesome vehicle, awesome race car. Anyway, had a chat with him. He said, you sure you haven't messed around with the timing? I said, no, I marked it, so I made sure I wouldn't screw it up. I said, okay, let me pop round and have a look. So when he had some free time, he popped round. Within the hour, had it up and running. Couldn't believe it. He checked everything I've checked. He said, yep, that should fire. Then he said, right, there's one thing we haven't done, test each plugs. So I took all the plugs out. Here they are, the culprits. Believe it or not, all these 8 plugs, every single one was at fault. He had his plug tester and they were naff. One didn't actually work, the others were just wasn't sparking, as you would expect from the electrodes. So lucky enough, an old set of Champion spark plugs. We checked them, put them in, turned the key, Bob's your uncle, came alive. So now the car's back, there's other jobs I need to do, but I'll let you listen to it. Wait a sec.